Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change a battery on this 2021 Toyota RAV4 key fob. So when you turn on the car, on the dashboard right there, it should say that your battery is running low. So it's time to change it. And it's so simple to do right here. See on the top right here, on the key fob, there's a little clip right here. Put your finger right here. And then if you pull it to the right, that's releasing the little key right here, the hidden key inside the key fob. See the little key there? So use this key right here to pry open the key fob. See the little hole right there? So put the key in there, and you should be able to pry open the key fob. See that? Just turn it, give a little turn, and it should be open. And that's it right here. And this is the battery right here. This is the type of battery you want to use. CR2032, and it's supposed to be 3 volts as a flat battery. So I got this from Amazon, really cheap right here. I got 6 of them from Amazon. You can order this from Amazon. I use like a paring knife with a pointed tip a little bit right here, and should be a little slot right here. And just pop out the old battery right there. Just pop it out and put the new one in. Like that, and just use your just apply a little pressure right there to put one in. That's it. Put the cover back on, and when you line everything up, you just pop it. See, that's it. And then put the little key back in right here. That's it. That's how you do it. So this is how you change the battery on the 2021 Toyota RAV4 key fob. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.